Most smart home upgrades usually happen inside the house, but one area that almost always gets left behind is the backyard, where you host barbecue parties. So what happens when you bring a bit of that smart convenience outside? This is the Grillion Electric Grill Brush, and it's not just a regular cleaning tool. It's designed to take a very manual, effort-heavy job and turn it into something a lot easier. Instead of treating grill cleaning like a chore, the idea here is to make it feel more like using a smart tool that does most of the work for you. Starting with the unboxing, everything is neatly packed and pretty intentional. You've got the main unit with a built-in rechargeable battery, along with two interchangeable brush heads, a chain brush and a wire brush. And this right here is a stainless steel guard that helps prevent grease from kicking back while you're cleaning. Alongside that, you get a USB Type-C charging cable, a user manual, and the packaging itself doubles as a storage case. But the feature that really leans into that smart, integrated experience is the built-in soap dispenser. Instead of relying on separate sprays or stopping mid-clean, dispense it directly while cleaning. We use regular dishwashing liquid and mixed it with water here. The soap container attaches with a simple twist lock system, so everything feels secure and easy to manage. On the handle, there's a display that shows battery life and cleaning modes, along with a button to switch between modes. One press on this button and it sprays right where you need it. Attaching the brush heads takes a little practice at first. You unlock the mechanism, swap the heads, and lock it back in place. Make sure this removable guard is perfectly aligned, or else you can't lock it in place. Another practical advantage is that replacement brush heads are available separately on Amazon. So instead of replacing the entire unit over time, you can just swap out the brush heads that wear down. Now, putting it to the test. The grill I'm using hasn't been cleaned since the last cookout and definitely needs a good cleaning. Instead of scrubbing manually, it's more about guiding the tool while the motor handles the heavy lifting. Then, switching to the wire brush makes it easier to tackle corners and edges where buildup tends to stick. After just a short cleaning session, the results are clearly noticeable. It's pretty clean and done with far less effort than a traditional brush. To clean the brush heads, just rinse them under running water, put them in the dishwasher, or soak briefly in soapy water. Stepping back, what stands out here isn't just the cleaning performance, it's how the entire process feels more refined. It takes something that's usually messy and inconvenient and turns it into something quicker, more controlled, and honestly, a bit more satisfying. So in a way, this fits right into the smart home mindset. It's not connected to Wi-Fi, it's not app-controlled, but it follows the same philosophy. Reduce effort, simplify the task, and make the experience better overall. If you're already building out a smarter living space, this feels like one of those upgrades that extends that idea beyond your front door and into your outdoor setup. That's been a look at the Grillion Electric Grill Brush. If you're interested, you can check out more details through the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.